Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a Gmail account on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser on your PC. Step 2. Go to www.gmail.com. Step 3. Click on Create Account. Step 4. The sign-up form will appear. Follow the directions by entering the required information. Step 5. Next, enter your phone number to verify your account. Google prioritizes your security with a two-step verification process. Step 6. You will receive a text message from Google with a verification code. Enter the code to complete the account verification. Step 7. Next, you will see a form to enter some of your personal information, such as your name and birthday. Step 8. Review Google's terms of service and privacy policy, then click I agree. Step 9. Congratulations! Your Gmail account has been successfully created. That's it. You've just learned how to create a Gmail account on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.